Animal Tracking for Kids with Ann
and Ryan. Today we found a black bear hind track.
Oh, let's check this out.
So what we have here is a palm pad, and the front part. How we know that this is a back track is because the front track would end about right there.
And this one goes all the way back here. And look at these toes, they're beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice toes. Well, they only have 5 toes. I think we got a double step there. So let's make a measurement here. Minimum outline, what do we think?
About 6.5 maybe?
About 6.5, I think you're right. That's excellent. So we have a black bear hind track. That is so cool. Now later we can compare that to a grizzly track and you can see the difference in size. Thanks for joining us.
Keep on tracking.